Welcome to our quiz. Today, we will challenge your knowledge about the world of tea. Dive deep into the fascinating realm of tea origins, explore the diverse plants that give us our favorite brews, and test your knowledge of various tea varieties. 40 multiple-choice questions. How many will you answer? Let's start the tea-themed quiz. The art of reading tea leaves is called A. Tasseography, B. Teology, C. Tea script, D. Teolography. Answer A. Tasseography. Tea should be stored in A. The fridge, B. The freezer, C. An airtight container, D. In the cupboard. Answer C. An airtight container. Which country did bubble tea originate? A. China, B. Taiwan, C. Japan, D. India. Answer B. Taiwan. Karkade is a common tea in Egypt. It is made from which flowers? A. Jasmine, B. Daisy, C. Hibiscus, D. Chamomile. Answer C. Hibiscus. Formal afternoon tea is also known as what? A. Low tea, B. High tea, C. Late tea, D. Day tea. Answer A. Low tea. Rooibos tea is also known as what? A. Red bush, B. Blue bush, C. Green bush, D. Rue bush. Answer A. Red bush. Which tea is cultivated and produced in Sri Lanka? A. Darjeeling tea, B. Assam tea, C. Ceylon tea, D. Yunnan tea. Answer C. Ceylon tea. Matcha is a powdered form of which tea? A. White tea, B. Oolong tea, C. Green tea, D. Black tea. Answer C. Green tea. Monkey tea is a type of what? A. Black tea, B. Herbal tea, C. Fruit tea, D. Green tea. Answer A. Black tea. How many varieties of tea are there? A. Under 1,000, B. Between 1 and 2,000, C. Over 3,000, D. Under 3,000. Answer C. Over 3,000. What does the term Camellia Sinensis refer to? A. A tea ceremony, B. The tea plant, C. A variety of black tea, D. A tea brewing method. Answer B. The tea plant. Which country is the birthplace of tea? A. India, B. China, C. Japan, D. Thailand. Answer B. China. Which type of tea is fully oxidized? A. Green, B. White, C. Black, D. Oolong. Answer C. Black. Darjeeling tea comes from which Indian region? A. Assam, B. Kerala, C. Karnataka, D. West Bengal. Answer D. West Bengal. What is the main antioxidant found in green tea? A. Theobromines, B. Theaflavins, C. L-theanine, D. Polyphenols. Answer D. Polyphenols. What process differentiates green tea from black tea? A. Blending, B. Oxidation, C. Steaming, D. Rolling. Answer B. Oxidation. Which of the following teas is known for its smoky flavor? A. Lapsang Souchong. B. Earl Grey. C. Chamomile. D. Matcha. Answer A. Lapsang Souchong. In which century was tea introduced to Japan by Buddhist monks? A. 7th century. B. 8th century. C. 9th century. D. 10th century. Answer B. 8th century. What is the Japanese ceremony centered around serving and drinking tea? A. Gongfu. B. Matcha. C. Chinoyu. D. Panyaro. Answer C. Chinoyu. Congratulations! You are halfway through the quiz. Keep going, you are doing great. Did you enjoy it? Have you learned something new? Please share your results in the comments below. Your feedback is very important to us. Pu'erh tea is primarily produced in which Chinese province? A. Fujian. B. Guangdong. C. Yunnan. D. Zhejiang. Answer C. Yunnan. Which vitamin is most commonly found in tea? A. Vitamin C. B. Vitamin E. C. Vitamin K. D. Vitamin D. Answer A. Vitamin C. What is the traditional Russian tea brew, which is highly concentrated, called? A. Kvass. B. Zavarka. C. Kompot. D. Medovuka. Answer B. Zavarka. What type of tea is traditionally used in a Moroccan mint tea? A. Green tea. B. Black tea. C. White tea. D. Oolong tea. Answer A. Green tea. The term Cambric tea refers to what kind of tea brewing method? A. Tea with milk, sugar, and spices. B. Tea with a lot of milk and little tea. C. Strong tea with no additives. D. Tea mixed with alcohol. Answer B. Tea with a lot of milk and little tea. Which component in tea is responsible for its stimulant properties? A. Catechins. B. L-theanine. C. Caffeine. D. Chlorophyll. Answer C. Caffeine. Which historical figure is said to have discovered tea? A. Emperor Shennan. B. King George III. C. Marco Polo. D. King Louis XIV. Answer A. Emperor Shennan. The term Pekoe in tea terminology refers to what? A. A flavor profile. B. A grade of black tea leaf. C. A tea brewing method. D. A type of teapot. Answer B. A grade of black tea leaf. Darjeeling tea is primarily grown in which Indian state? A. Assam. B. Kerala. C. West Bengal. D. Karnataka. Answer C. West Bengal. Which of these teas is not oxidized? A. Green tea. B. Black tea. C. White tea. D. Oolong tea. Answer A. Green tea. Matcha is a type of tea originally from which country? A. China. B. Korea. C. Japan. D. Vietnam. Answer C. Japan. Which type of tea undergoes a partial oxidation process? A. Black tea. B. Green tea. C. White tea. D. Oolong tea. Answer D. Oolong tea. In which country is Rooibos tea primarily grown? A. India. B. South Africa. C. Turkey. D. Argentina. Answer B. South Africa. Earl Grey tea is typically flavored with the oil of which fruit? A. Lemon. B. Orange. C. Bergamot. D. Lime. Answer: C. Bergamot. What type of tea is commonly used in a traditional Japanese tea ceremony? A. Sencha. B. Gyokuro. C. Bancha. D. Matcha. Answer: D. Matcha. Chai tea traditionally originates from which country? A. India. B. China. C. Japan. D. Russia. Answer: A. India. What is the English tradition of afternoon tea, often accompanied by A. Cocktails. B. Scones and clotted cream. C. Heavy meals. D. Just tea. Answer: B. Scones and clotted cream. Which type of tea contains the highest level of caffeine? A. White tea. B. Green tea. C. Black tea. D. Herbal tea. Answer: C. Black tea. What is the primary factor affecting the caffeine content in a cup of tea? A. The color of the tea. B. The size of the tea leaves. C. The steeping time. D. The temperature of the water. Answer: C and D. The steeping time and water temperature. The Russian samovar refers to what? A. A type of tea leaf. B. A method of preparing tea. C. A special tea blend. D. A vessel used to brew and serve tea. Answer: D. A vessel used to brew and serve tea. Which of those countries are in the top 10 tea producing in the world? A. Sri Lanka. B. Kenya. As a bonus, I included this information for the best brewing and steeping times. In short, use 80 degrees Celsius water for green, white, and yellow tea, with a steeping time between 2 and 3 minutes. Boil the kettle for most black, fruit, and herbal teas, steeping for 3 to 5 minutes. Enjoy your tea. Did you enjoy the quiz? Could you share your results and experience with your friends? Your opinion is very important to us. Remember to tell us how you did it in the comments below. See you in the next challenge.